Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you how to create your own AI-powered avatar using Canva. And the best part is, it's completely free. Whether you need a unique profile picture or a fun character for your projects, Canva has you covered. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's get started.
First of all, head over to canva.com and either sign up or log in with your Gmail account. Once you are in, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side, click on the search icon, and search for Nero AI. Click on it. Now click on Use in New Design. From here, simply choose the video option. An interface like this will appear in front of you. Select your AI avatar from here. Then, paste your desired script here. Select your preferred language. In my case, this is English. After that, choose the voice that suits your style. Once all is set, click on Create Your Video and patiently wait for the magic to happen. Once your video is generated, it's time to fine-tune. Click on the video to remove the background. Hit Edit Video, then Background Remover, and wait a moment. Voila, your background is gone. After that, adjust the size of your video according to your needs. Now, let's add some flair. Click on the background, then click on the Colors icon. Click on the Color panel, and choose the background color you need. I will choose this green color. If you want any other background, that is also super easy. Just click on the Elements tab and search here for the background you need. For example, I search here for room. I will choose this image as my background. Just add this, then right-click on it and choose Replace Background. Now click this Nero icon. Choose your avatar and paste the script again. Choose the language and voice tone, then click on the Create Your Video button and wait some time. Once it is done, click on Edit Video and then Background Remover. It will also take some time, so don't worry. When it's done, adjust the video size. Click on this Adjust button. Adjust the lighting to your liking and presto. Now your video is ready to go. To download your masterpiece, simply click Share, then Download, and again Download. Easy, right? Let me show you the final result.
Welcome to Tech AI. This is your go-to channel for everything about AI in Windows. We break down the latest in A-Tech, provide easy tutorials, and share useful Windows tips and tricks to improve your tech life.
Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before I go, I would love to hear about your experience creating avatar videos with Canva. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.